the thing that you've experienced into the workflow these last 25 years is really driven by the evolution of the RIP technology. So this is basically why Ghent Workgroup used to advise you to use PDF X1A standard for some point, and now is pushing into the PDF X4. Because let's go back to the basic. What is a RIP? So RIP stands for Raster Image Processor. And this is actually the system that is in charge to convert the original content of your PDF into a raster image that the plate setter or now the printing machine can understand. The older RIPs, they had to convert the PDF to PostScript first before being able to convert that into a raster image. And at this time, because it's PostScript based, that means that there is no support for transparency. The file has to be flattened. And flattening is not a harmless process. You could imagine that because a lot of people are just saying like PDF X1A is safe, and that's why they use that. David is going to tell you a little bit more about the transparency flattening, and you'll see that it's not that safe as you would imagine, and it can really harm your file. And that's exactly why at that time, because in the RIP you had to go through what is called the CPSI, which is a configurable PostScript interpreter, which was that conversion from PDF to PostScript, where the flattening was happening. One could not really expect the result that you get, because sometimes you have flows and then you get misinterpretation. And this is exactly why it has been asked to do the transparency flattening before going to the RIP. So in case something goes wrong, you have been able to look at that and see the problems. And that was the base of the PDF X1A. The modern RIPs, and when I say modern, this is really already some years ago, because the Adobe PDF print engine just went out in 2008. So that's already 15 years ago, 16 in 2024. And those RIPs, the APP-based RIPs, because Adobe is also providing that technology as OEM to other RIP vendors, or the Harlequin-based from Global Graphics, they can directly process the PDF. So they don't have to go from PDF to PostScript and from PostScript to raster image. That means that they are able to honor all the modern features that you have in the PDF right now, and that we are going to cover later in the presentation, natively. That means no transparency flattening anymore is needed.